This is Bob Kale. Welcome to week 4. This week we're talking about data formats. Some data formats you've seen, such as Excel spreadsheets, maybe even comma-separated values. Databases is another area to grab them from. There are other types such as YAML, which is YAML ain't a markup language, YAML, often used in configuration files. Parquet is a big data format saved on the Hadoop file system. TSV is tab separated values, much like comma separated, but with the tab. ARFF is attribute relational file format, which is another ASCII format. You will be looking at HTML, YAML, Parquet, TSV, and ARFF. You'll pick 3 of those for the discussion. And then in the assignment, you'll use CSV, comma separated value, JSON, which is JavaScript object notation format, and XML, which is extensible markup language. So what you have in front of you is a CSV file, which you can open in Excel. It has sort of the rows headers, column headers, I should say, and then you have the rows going down. You'll see missing data here and there. But for the most part, it just looks like individual values sitting in a cell per. JSON, JavaScript object notation, it is a key value pair. So you can see the key ID, the value 1. Car make is the key, Acura. Car model, TL, car year 2006, the car VIN number. Now this one has NAN, which is not a number or null, or it could have a VIN number, but it's just within the open and closed braces. Extensible markup language, XML, another key value, but it's a little heavier on the tags, where you will see, such as this is just one car right here. This is another car. So they're all have a tag such as ID, a value, car make, which has Dodge, which has a closing tag, and so on. So for every open tag, there's a closed tag that has that backslash in front of it on the end. Those are some of the common formats you'll see and you'll deal with. So I just wanted to cover some of the data types for this. We'll get into the code for the next video. And before I end, I want you to note some of the libraries we're going to use. There is Pandas, which was what we've used before for data frames, used a lot. It will simplify reading those different data formats for you. Matplotlib to visualize. We use math to make one of our visualizations better. The XLRD is for reading Excel spreadsheets. Even though it's grayed out, it is required. And import PyArrow is used for the Parquet format, which again is a big data environment. It's made to speed up numerical transactions. And finally, if you load packages, just click the packages button and you can type in the package name such as PyArrow. If you have it, you won't see an install button. If you don't have it, such as this, there's an install button. So click that for PyArrow. And the other one you need to load is XLRD, and just install that one. So I already have them installed. So those are easy enough to do. One last thing, if I can do it. This is what a CSV file would look like if you weren't opening an Excel. I did want you to see this. You can see it has the headers, column headers up above, separated just by a comma. And each row is separated by comma. So 1 comma Suzuki, comma Swift, comma 1987, comma, and remember that's a null value after. Otherwise it would have the VIN number. So this is what it would look like in a a text editor, but when you open it in Excel, Microsoft Excel, you get this. So it is truly comma separated, but Excel's nice enough to break those up by comma and put them in their individual cells. I did want you to see that. So we'll go on to the next video after this. Thank you.